Well, hello everybody. This is Bob with some of my do-it-yourself solar projects. And what you're looking at here is my solar furnace. And except for some of these trees in my yard here that block some of the afternoon sun, this thing could probably heat up my whole house all by itself. To start off with, the incoming air goes into the box right here from a high velocity bullet fan just behind the other side of the wall. And as you probably can see here, I've got channeling in here. So it starts out, feeds the lower channel, then into the center channel, and then up to the top and finally into the house. And the reason for that is if it didn't have the channeling, chances are the air would take the path of least resistance and just go right from there to there, up there, leaving pockets of air in the corners that probably wouldn't get picked up and wasted. So that's the reason for the channeling. Now I'll take you inside and show you the rest of it. Okay, this is where the feed starts at, and just cut a hole in the floor, added some ductwork that goes all the way to my high velocity bullet fan out by the outside wall. And then over here in the dining room is the outside wall where it comes in at. Just a regular 30-34 pipe, no big deal. And the heart of the system is this cheap little eBay thermal sensor that I got for about 15 bucks. And it's got a thermocoupler that goes into the box. When it registers a temperature above 80 degrees, it comes on. And when it goes below 80, it shuts off. It's about as simple as that. So that's it for this one. Over and out.